Whoa. Wow. 6:30, something like that at night. Wednesday night. Watching the weather very cautiously. I'm on my porch, so I'm inside somewhat. We've got severe thunderstorm warnings up and also a tornado warning north that way of me. It's dark when the dusk to dawn lights come on, and it ain't even dusk yet. That's what all the lights up here are dusk to dawn. Dusk 8 hours, whatever. But we're getting some lightning and some thunder. I just hope we get some rain. And this all isn't just a big blow for a big blow. Thundering pretty good. This is the times I miss my other deck. Because this is all screened. I won't get nothing in on it for rain, or very little. I'm missing the trash, the hanging pot, which what I'm going to do next year is I'm going to build a gazebo out of plastic fencing pieces for the beans. My green beans are coming up the same thing as my peas were supposed to come up. I haven't seen a green bean out of any of it. Boo. Garden looks pretty good. I'm just waiting to see what this storm does. We really need the rain. We got a little bit last night. Creek was down to dry. And got a little water in it today. Put food out for my babies, of course, but there ain't much for babies. And I can't get to the water. Let's see, I got a mosquito running around out here. See if I can hit this little binder. Missed. That time I didn't. I smeared them. Come on, rain. I've never seen so many of the little, we always call them jumping screen spiders, as I have in this place. It's real still, it's real humid, so I'm just waiting for all hell to break loose. Hello! It was a good crack. They were out watering the gardens there. Not that they need it. Yeah, they needed it. But I'll be back when this decides to break loose. Talk to you later. Bye.